Hey guys, good morning. It's Alex Alpha Kilo Warrior at 7:15. It's Saturday morning. We're up at 4,500 feet. Got the autopilot on. Traffic detection detects no traffic, and it's a beautiful, smooth, calm day. So we are heading into Danbury. So I have the external wing camera scheduled to go on at 7:30. About 29 miles from Danbury right now. Just doing a quick intro for you guys. We're on a mission today, so we're going to stop at Danbury, collect our thoughts, and then we'll go through part 2 of the mission. So part 1, enjoy this approach and landing into Danbury Airport. Danbury Tower, Archer 33121, a beam, runway 8.
121, runway 8, clear to land.
Runway 8, clear to land, Archer 33121.
Number 121, it was a while ago you told me you were inbound, and you told me where you wanted to go, and I didn't write it down.
No problem. It's executive air, so I'm looking for a right turnout on Charlie.
Oh, so you're familiar with the field?
Affirmative, Archer 121.
Okay, sir. And again, you are clear to land. The altimeter 3003, wind is 130 at 4.
Clear to land, runway 8, Archer 33121.
Number 6475 Delta, Danbury ground, runway 8, taxi via Darcy Access, Charlie, cross runway 35. November 121, contact New York departure 1264.
Up to departure 264, Archer 121. New York departure, good morning, Archer 33121 at 3000, next to Danbury.
November 33121, New York departure, ident, west to south, altimeter 3005.
3005, Archer 121.
Archer 121, you are radar contact, where are you heading today?
Archer 121 requesting Hudson Skyline route. Skyline South.
33121, roger. Stay outside of Westchester Class Delta and expect a Bravo clearance by the Alpine Tower.
Expect Bravo clearance by Alpine Tower, stay out of the Delta, Archer 121. Alright, so stay out of the Delta, Westchester's Delta. So that should be no big issue right here. And then expect the Bravo clearance by Alpine Tower. Alrighty. This is going to be fun. Alright, got LaGuardia Tower standby frequency 126.05. I'm squawking 4 tree 6 tree. Just left
306 selecting 260.
I got Skyline working, protected me.
November 33121, you're clearing the Bravo 2000 southbound down the Hudson.
Clear Bravo 2000, Archer 33121, thank you.
And if you want 1500, that can work too.
Archer 121 requesting 1500.
November 121, clearing Bravo 1500 is southbound down the Hudson.
Archer 33121, clear Bravo southbound 1500 southbound. Alright, we're on the Skyline route. We've entered the Bravo, and we're heading south, doing the Hudson Skyline route. We're cleared into the Bravo at 1500. We're coming up to Alpine Tower to our 12 o'clock. And we're going to keep our head on a swivel, listen to ATC, and stay relaxed. I'm using the autopilot today because I want to keep my workload down. It's the first time doing this solo. And we're going to follow the rules, and we're going to play nice today. It's pretty calm today. I remounted Skyhound. It fell off with some turbulence there, and it's going to keep us protected here. Thank you, Skyhound. Please don't fall. Let's get some good shots here. We're going to stay to the right of the river. It's so amazing we get to do this as pilots. All right, my first Hudson Skyline route.
November 121, contact LaGuardia Tower 12605.
2605, Archer 121.
Gets me 433, perfect.
LaGuardia Tower, good morning, Archer 33121, 1600.
33121 LaGuardia, altimeter 3004, maintain 1,500 on the Hudson River.
3004, maintain 1.5, Archer 121. All right, let's maintain 1.5.
You're watching Alpha Kilo Warrior Aviation Entertainment over New England.
And LaGuardia Tower, Archer 33121, requesting Hudson South, East River, Central Park, Hudson North.
I'm sorry, November 121, you said Hudson River, and after that what?
Archer 121 requesting Hudson South, East River, Central Park, Hudson North.
Roger, so Hudson River, Central Park, East River is approved, maintain 1,500. I'll have further for you once you're southbound along the East River, and then I'll hand you off to Newark for the transition back northbound.
Copy that, maintain 1.5, expecting Newark when ready.
Thanks to my channel members for helping support my channel. If you want early access to my Sunday videos, custom emojis, and member exclusive content, you could join for 3 cents a day on YouTube, and the money goes 100% back into the channel. Thank you so much.
All right, using my autopilot, and maintain 1,500. Frequency's quiet this morning.
Thanks for watching Alpha Kilo Warrior Aviation Entertainment on YouTube. Be sure to check out Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. I'm posting social content daily.
Oh wow, beautiful. Message. Swap. Fuel pumps on. Run, going to the left. Run the left. Fuel pressure is good. Maintain 1,500.
And November 121, will you be flying over the statue as well?
Negative, Archer 121, just like the left turn onto the East River, please.
All right, let me coordinate that with Newark. I'll keep you on my frequency. Stand by.
Copy that, 121, thank you.
November 121, Hudson River, East River is approved, 1,500.
East River approved 1.5, Archer 121, thank you. Got some rain. Got some precipitation here. Want to get a shot at that. All right, get ready to turn my left here over Central Park, over the middle of the Central Park Lake.
Archer 121, Hudson River northbound, say destination.
Hudson River northbound, I'd like to go back to Hotel Foxtrot Delta, please.
Roger.
And Archer 121 requesting 2,000 for the northbound.
Archer 121, 2000 approved.
2,000 approved, Archer 121. Oh man, that was awesome. I can't believe we can do that. It was so much fun.
Number 121, contact Newark, contact New York approach on 120.8.
120.8, Archer 121. You guys are awesome.
Thanks, man. I'm going.